Hey people, so we are at AMB Mall and we've ordered this thing known as Amritsari Chaap. Ayush, take a bite and tell us how it tastes. Mix it with the, okay. Yeah, this is made out of soya chaap. And AMB Mall, the food court, the food is very reasonable. Like this is for 179 bucks, like almost 180. But this is how the place looks. I also can't wait to taste it. I was expecting more quantity, but yeah, this is vegetarian, so that's the good thing. Let me see how it tastes. Wow, for a vegetarian you get the flavor of as if it is tandoori. This is interesting. In fact, it's quite yummy. So Ayush, can you please help me in having it?